how to change the home screen mode and how to change the app grid layout for home screen apps found in your app drawer. And this is for the Galaxy A16 or the A17 smartphone with the latest One UI 8.0 update. To make changes to your home screen layout, first thing and the fastest way is long pressing a blank area like this here, then go into the settings right there. Once you find yourself in here, you'll go down and you'll see home screen layout as one of the options. So as I enter here, you're going to see this here. Now, at default, it'll be set to this one here. The home and app screen is your swipe up for the app drawer, and only home screen basically means all the apps will be on your home screen, creating multiple pages depending on how many apps you have. If you want that, that's up to you. Be sure to press apply to save the changes. Now, if you want to make more space or less space for apps, go to home screen grid. This is for apps that appear on your home screen. You have 4x6, 5x6. Some phones give you more options. If you have the higher end flagship Samsung phones, you'll see more options as well. Okay, as you select them, you'll press done to save the changes. Same thing again, going down for the apps. If you have the app drawer enabled. So if your app drawer is currently enabled and you want to make more space for apps, you can go with 5x6 to increase the size. Well, not really increase the size, but decrease the size of the apps and increase the grid to have more apps appear. And pressing done will save that option for you. Then you can always come back here, go back to settings. The last one would be folder grid, this option right here. This is going to give you 3x4 or 4x4. And basically these two options here would be for this here. For example, the Google folder with all the Google apps here. If you go into it, you'll notice it's going to go 3 across and 4 going down. If you select 4x4, you'll have 4 going across and 4 going down, giving you more space for more apps per folder, like and sub.